Hi there, Kevin Chapman here, MarineMax Dallas. Want to take you through this brand new X24. Got it outfitted with a triple axle trailer here. Notice you got the flake on the bottom and on the top. Coordinates beautifully with this boat. Flake on the swim platform as it goes around. Outfitted with a unique to Mastercraft, the flip down swim step. And then right below you'll notice the stern thruster. Makes it super easy if a rider goes down, flip the boat around and come back and pick him up. And I'll take you through the inside of the boat. It doesn't get much better than this hanging out on the back of the X24 in these unique loungers. You notice I got the flip up headrest back here. Super easy to get in and out of the boat. Walking by the stereo controls there, some storage underneath here. Sea deck all the way through. We've got flip open seats with storage on both sides. Awesome storage. Integrated cooler on this side too as well. Notice we've got the LED lighting going through. Coming up at the helm, I can change the lighting in the boat to any color that I want, which is just to slide it. It's really nice. You notice I've got it set up right now with the reverse camera, gauges on both sides, and then ready to go for surf. On the tower, we've got the Z8 tower, 4 Klipsch speakers, so ready for all your summertime jams. And then going up to the bow of the boat, this has a unique pickle fork bow. Super comfortable, easy to get 3 to 4 adults in the bow. Notice it's got a walk through, it's nice and deep. There's no bags or anything like that impeding sitting down on there. And then a very large pass-through storage right here. Goes all the way to the bow. Stereo controls for the observer seat. So if you're driving, you got the other passenger, they can change your stereo to anything that the rider's wanting to listen to. Thanks, and I appreciate you taking a look at our video here at MarineMax Dallas. My name's Kevin, and love to see you out here to take a look at our boats.